In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox stuck on joining server problems. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can fix this. So the first fix is to restart Roblox. So this can be your browser app. So just completely click out of the game and then reopen it. Now the next fix is to open up a web browser and see the Roblox server status. So go to Google, type in Roblox server status and hit enter. And then from here, go to the first result or even the second or any one of the top ones really, and click on Roblox status. And now see if there's any outages. If there is, they're going to be shown here. So if there is an outage, there's nothing you can do, just wait it out. Now the next thing we can do is go ahead and restart your router, so quick network reset. So if you are using a router, go ahead and unplug it for at least 30 seconds, plug it back in and then reconnect to Wi-Fi. Now the next fix is to go ahead and clear Roblox cache. So this is for Windows, so on your keyboard, hit your Windows key plus R to open up the run. Now from here, we need to put in %10%, click on OK. And now all your files inside of here, you want to go ahead and delete, but basically the one that says Roblox, just go ahead and delete that one like so, and make sure to empty your trash can as well. Now, if we're running any VPNs or proxies, so Roblox servers block many VPNs, keep that in mind. So go ahead and toggle off any VPNs and then restart Roblox. Now there's two more things we can do. So the next fix is to reset network settings. So we need to go to search, type in CMD command prompt and run this as administrator, and then go ahead and click on yes. And now you're going to have a command prompt here, and basically here we want to go ahead and paste this string like so, or we'll put this in a text document. So here it is here, netsh winsock reset, netsh int ip reset, ipconfig /flush DNS. So just go ahead and put that in your command prompt. And then from there, obviously reset your PC afterwards. Now, if you're still having any issues, just go ahead and reinstall Roblox. So a fresh install, uninstall Roblox, then go to the Roblox site and click play to reinstall automatically.